Hello everyone, and today me and my son are going to do our first unboxing. Right now we're about to unbox one of his gifts, and we'll let you know how, and you will at the same time as us see how it is, and if he likes it and stuff like that. So right now what we're going to do...
Hit like and subscribe.
Yes, hit like and subscribe, but also right now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open the box. So Jonathan, go ahead and open the box and pull out the item. Go ahead and pull it out.
Let me see. Actually, stop. I really don't know. Got it.
We got it. Slide this to the side. So as you see, we got some screws. Jonathan, go ahead and unscrew those.
Okay.
This is the first time I'm letting him use a screwdriver, so I should actually be in fear right now. Jonathan, the way you use that is it, go ahead and hold this. Hold it.
Oh.
There you go. The way you use a screw, I need you to hold this. This is moving. I need you to hold this. There you go. It's kind of hard to do this and hold it. I need you to really hold this, Jonathan. There you go. Some of this is going to get edited out, or at least I think it will. We'll find out. If you heard me say that, then that means it didn't get edited. Jonathan, I need you to hold this. There you go. Go ahead and pull this out. Alright, let's see on the bottom, see how this... More screws. So go ahead and hold that. Go ahead, Jonathan. You see how I got this? Watch how I do this.
Let me see.
This screwdriver is actually just a hair too big for the screws. So that's one of the reasons for the struggle here. Another reason is because I'm not able to hold this myself and use this. There you go. So now we have
A vehicle.
a remote control Lamborghini of some sort. So let's go ahead and open this up. Jonathan, hold that.
This.
Yeah. Go ahead and open that, please. Alright. Go ahead and feed it batteries. Wait. The polarity needs to go this way.
I know.
The flat part of the battery always goes towards
There.
the...
Oh, it's working.
Hold on. Go ahead and put that back on. Now let's put it back on. Now let's put this back on. Hold that. No, hold the remote. There you go. Now let's get this one. Hold this, please. I need to get to this, so I need you to hold that.
That vehicle.
If I had a, really would be nice if I had a stand. I need you to seriously hold this, Jonathan. No, this. Thank you. Alright, so go ahead and try and open that, please, Jonathan. Wait, we got it.
At least.
Stop. Hold on. Now hold that open.
Okay.
There you go. Now let's feed this thing batteries, because these things have a diet of batteries.
Right, berries.
Yeah, these things have a diet of batteries. They eat batteries like you wouldn't believe. Anyway, now we get that. Now let's get the screw back on there. No, wait, the screw's still on there.
And it's.
Go ahead and place it on there. Got it on there?
Yeah.
Oops.
Why is this not?
That's because when you place it on there, you should have at least turned it on there. Turned it a little bit. That's alright. Not bad for someone that can't see what he's doing and hold this at the same time. Yeah. Jonathan, I'm going to turn that TV off if you don't pay attention to this. There we go. Had to start the screw there. Jonathan, go ahead and turn it on. Alright, as we can see, it works. Jonathan likes it. Jonathan, how do you like, okay, it turns, it does its thing. Not bad.
It
Well,
doesn't run off.
we got some extra screws here. I'm willing to bet that I just put the wrong screw on something. Jonathan, calm down there.
No.
Alright, well, Jonathan, how do you think?
It's really awesome.
Alright. And, well, it was a gift for Christmas for him from one of my best friends, or my best friend, Ben. So, shout out to him. Thank you, Ben, for giving my son a remote control car. And we thank you for patiently watching our first unboxing of something. There you go. Look this way. So, thank you very much. Have a great one. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
All right, have a great one. Bye-bye.